Why bench press form matters.
The proper bench press technique not only helps you lift more, but protects your shoulders from injury. Studying key form points reduces strain, ensures muscle activation, and builds strength safely. Whether you're new to lifting or have years of experience, focusing on technique is crucial for both safety and progress.
Setting up, grip, and position.
Start by lying flat on the bench with your eyes under the bar. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width, keeping wrists straight and knuckles facing up. Plant your feet firmly on the floor. Retract your shoulder blades against the bench and keep a small arch in your lower back. This foundation sets you up for a safer, stronger press.
Controlled descent and elbow angle.
Lower the bar slowly to mid-chest, keeping elbows at about a 75-degree angle from your body. Avoid flaring elbows directly out to the sides, as this stresses the shoulders. Controlled descent keeps tension on the chest and protects your joints. Never let the bar bounce off your chest. Gentle contact is key.
Pressing up, power and safety.
Drive the bar upward by pushing through your feet and extending your arms. Keep your shoulder blades retracted and maintain the same bar path. Do not lock out your elbows forcefully at the top. Breathe out as you press, and avoid raising your hips or arching excessively, which can strain your back or reduce stability.
Tips to prevent shoulder injuries.
Warm up your shoulders and chest before lifting. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase load. Always use a spotter or safety bars if lifting heavy. Listen to your body. If you feel pain, stop and reassess your form. Regularly check your technique and avoid sacrificing form for heavier weights to keep your shoulders healthy.